The conditionals in English are sentences that express a relationship between a condition and a result, formulating real or imaginary scenarios. They consist of an if clause that establishes the condition and a main clause that describes the result. They are used to talk about what could happen, what would have happened, or what one would like to happen. If clause introduces the condition, example, if it rains, and the main clause expresses the result or consequence, example, we will stay home. The conditionals in English are sentences that express a relationship between a condition and a result, formulating real or imaginary scenarios. They consist of an if clause that establishes the condition and a main clause that describes the result. They are used to talk about what could happen, what would have happened, or what one would like to happen. If clause introduces the condition, example, if it rains, and the main clause expresses the result or consequence, example, we will stay home.
Examples 1. In the passing to the stretching exercise, he will improve his flexibility. 2. If you apply ice after the season, the swelling will go down. 3. If the therapist uses ultrasound, it will reduce muscle tension. 4. If you don't follow the treatment plan, your recovery will take longer. 5. If she keeps good posture, she will prevent back pain. 6. If the pain arrives on time, the session will be more effective. 7. If you exercise daily, your mobility will increase. 8. If he drinks enough water, his muscle will recover faster. 9. If the patient wears the brace correctly, it will support the spine. 10. If you miss your appointments, your progress will slow down.
Second conditional. It is used to express hypothetical or imaginary situations in the present or the future, which are unlikely or real. Structure. If, more past simple. Same goal, more base verb. Important details. Although the past simple is used, it doesn't refer to the past, but to an imaginary situation or on contrary to current reality. In formal English, were is used as the person, if I were, if he were, etc. Although in everyday English, was in also used. Common uses. Expressing impossible or improbable wishes. Giving hypothetical advice. If I were you, I will imagine situations different from reality. Examples. If the clinic had more equipment, we would treat more patients. If I were your therapist, I would recommend aquatic therapy. If the patient reads more, he would feel less pain. If I had a bigger treatment room, I would include more balanced exercise. If the patient knew how important stretching is, he would do it every day. If you train your core muscles, your posture will improve a lot. If we use electrotherapy, the inflammation will decrease. If they had better insurance, they would attend more therapy sessions.
Third, conditionals. It is used to talk about unreal situations from the past, that is, things that did not happen and their imaginary consequences. Common uses: expressing regret or criticism about something that did not happen, analyzing past causes and consequences, imagine alternative outcomes of historical or personal events,